Let's start with 1 or 2 nectarines. Press gently with your palm as that helps check if they're ripe. Hold both halves, give it a little twist, and if it's ripe enough, it'll split right open. Flip it flesh side down on the board and slice it into wedges. We're not going for perfection here, just juicy bites that'll crisp up beautifully. Lay out strips of prosciutto or bacon, your choice. Wrap each nectarine slice like a tiny gift. Don't worry if it's not perfect, air fryer will fix that. By the way, where are you watching from? And what's the weather like there today? Drop a comment, we love seeing where everyone's cooking from. Take a French baguette and cut it into slices. Aim for 1 slice per nectarine wedge. Try to keep them nice and even so they all toast up the same in the air fryer. Next, grab some Camembert. Brie works too if that's what you've got today. Cut the cheese into strips just wide enough to sit on the baguette. This is going to be the creamy middle layer between crispy bread and salty sweet fruit. Now, let's build these little beauties. Start by placing the baguette slices into the air fryer basket, leaving a bit of space between each one so they get that nice, even crisp. Drizzle some olive oil over the top and then lay down the cheese slices. And finally, crown each one with a prosciutto-wrapped nectarine, like a little gourmet hat on top. Carefully place everything into the air fryer basket. Set it to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. If you want the baguette extra crispy, you can toast the bread alone first, then add the cheese and fruit afterward, and give it another quick round. Alright, moment of truth. Crispy prosciutto, melty cheese, it's the kind of combo that stops conversations. Let them cool for a minute and get ready to wow your guests. These bites are simple, but they hit all the right notes. And if you want to take it up a notch, try a light drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Not required, but once you try it, you'll get it. What would you add or change to these little bites recipe? Maybe a twist we haven't tried yet? Drop it in the comments. We're always looking to borrow good ideas and hear your opinion. Give this video a like if you want more sweet and savory snack ideas. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you in the next one.